In a media statement, NHE's acting executive for sales and lending, Ludwina Alex, emphasized that a surge in the repo rate imposed by the Bank of Namibia, mainly due to the COVID-19 pandemic and global economic headwinds, are the main factors behind the increment. She also attributes the decision to high cost of debt incurred by the housing parastyle from commercial banks. However, an independent financial analyst, Joseph Shihama, says the rise imposed by the NHE represents roughly $400 for an average mortgage of a property worth $1 million.
The reason why the interest rate is increasing, so we need also to think about the inflation. So, and this inflation I used to call is imported inflation. So imported inflation, we don't have a control over it. So the petrol, for instance, in Russia, that's a Russian-Ukraine war, so nobody can stop it. So our hands, plus the government, plus everybody, we are cut, so we can't do anything now.
Shihama says as a result of the hike, any prospects of saving will drastically diminish as property owners will be forced to dig deeper into their pockets, but he maintains there are benefits to be accrued in the long run.
Money will become expensive, and that is definitive. So everybody is going to bend. So, and the only advice that I can advise them is to continue paying. So because the other advantage, so when the interest rate is actually increasing, it will also give you that opportunity to pay off your house very quick. So because now interest is up and the capital amount is also up, then you are actually reducing your bonds. So and that is actually the advantage.
In May this year, the NHE implemented the use of a debit order payments or deductions for all home loans. According to media reports, the NHE has been struggling to recoup about $35.8 million owed by defaulters. Kaipahero Kanji, NBC News, Windhoek.